Charges are expected to be laid this week against some of the men arrested during an operation in St. Anne on the weekend. During the operation, 15 persons were arrested for various offenses to include lottery scamming. Anthony Lugg reports.
The operation, which lasted several hours, saw the police swooping down on several communities in Brownstown and surrounding areas as they seek to restore law and order. Superintendent Dwight Brown is head of operations for the parish.
St. Anne is in a reset mode as it relates to criminal activities. Criminal safe haven no longer the place. I suggest humbly that they take their trade elsewhere because we have a zero tolerance approach as it relates to criminal activities in the St. Anne parish.
The operation targeted some communities where criminals have been seeking refuge. However, among those arrested were several persons of interest, as well as those involved in the illicit lottery scamming. Commanding Officer Senior Superintendent Carlos Russell says he's taken note of scammers migrating from other parishes.
We have been doing a lot of operations targeting lottery scammers, and we have a few of them before the court. I also want to take this opportunity to warn persons who are involved or who wants to get involved in lottery scamming that the police, we are watching and we will be coming out there to get you.
The police, in the meantime, say they'll be ramping up operations over the next few weeks. Superintendent Brown insists the division has reviewed its operational strategies and is expecting better results this year.
Looking into 2026, we have re-strategized. We have looked on issues that we had last year and as such created a new posture that will take us into 2026. You have seen where we have started to increase our presence along the corridors. We are impacting the hotspots and the gang enclave with our presence and our operational prowess to ensure that we eliminate the criminal elements that are existing in the parish.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.